Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I just thought I'd be spontaneous and teach you guys how to make a really easy taco meat, okay? And it's really fast. You can use it for many recipes, so it's versatile. I've just added 2 packages. I love the prime extra lean chicken meat that I buy at Walmart. For those of you on the green program for WW Wellness That Works, for a half a cup is 4 smart points, and for the blue and purple, it's 0 smart points. So this is a versatile recipe that you can use to make tacos, to make stir fries with, to add to other recipes like my crack slaw, and it is super fast and delicious. You don't need to add any oil. There's enough fat in the chicken meat and a lot of flavor. Now you can obviously use turkey or beef if you want. And all I'm gonna do to season this up is add a little bit of pepper. Okay, I'm just using a little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of I Love Worcester. Okay, so it might help if I undid the lid. So I'm going to use about a couple of tablespoons. Again, I like to taste. You can always add 1 tablespoon depending on how much you like, and then always add more and taste. Now I like adding a little bit of either Italian seasoning, or I'm just going to use some oregano, and just put a little bit in, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. I'm adding in garlic powder, again about a teaspoon or so. I just like to sprinkle in, and then of course, like I said, taste. So you can just add in a little bit, some garlic powder, about a teaspoon, all right? I love it a little bit with some Frank's hot sauce, so about, a teaspoon or so I like to put in. And of course, just mix it up. And you'll see it has so much flavor. I love things with lots and lots of good, delicious flavor. So when you make a lot, then you can keep it in a sealed container in your freezer or your fridge, depending on how fast you're using it. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of some smoked paprika, and I like to have this on a medium to high heat. And I'm using some, actually this isn't crushed chili, it's just some chili powder. I'm adding some of that, and of course taco seasoning. And I get the less sodium, and usually about a couple of tablespoons I put in. So again, you can just add a little bit at a time, depending if you're just making 1 package. You can double or triple this recipe, of course. And again, you can add it to your salads, on tortillas, just, whatever you like. I just made an amazing recipe with mashed potatoes and made like little mini meatloafs with this meat. So, it's important to season it up. I like to add a little bit, a pinch of salt, some pink Himalayan salt, which I've already added, and that's it. So again, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oregano, some Worcester. I use some smoked paprika, a little bit of chili powder, Frank's hot sauce, and remember, all my recipes are written under each video, okay? So that's it. Super fast, easy, delicious. It's all ready. Doesn't take more than a few minutes to whip up, and you can add it to casseroles. You could add it to your frittatas, on top of your pizzas, your 2-ingredient pizzas. So you can see my recipes are versatile, and definitely with lots and lots of flavor. Okay, a quick, easy taco meat for you guys to enjoy. All right, I hope you love this recipe. Easy peasy. Share with other people. Tell people about my channel. All right, and all recipes are written underneath. I'm just going to show you all the ingredients that I used, okay, right here. And you can use as much or as little as you want. You want to use fresh garlic, you can use fresh garlic, of course. I just find it easier to just pour it in like that, but sometimes I buy it in the jar. And that's the recipe, guys. Hope you love it. Take care, be well, bye for now.